What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can remote access Ubuntu Linux operating system from Windows 11 operating system. For this video purpose, I'm using two separate virtual machines. I'm going to access this Ubuntu Linux operating system from this Windows 11 operating system. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, we have to enable the remote desktop connection in our Ubuntu operating system. So switch to your Ubuntu Linux operating system, and now from here click on Show Apps and search for Settings. Then scroll down, go to System, then from here go to Remote Desktop. And here you will get two options. You can only share the desktop screen and also can remote login. We are gonna enable both of them. Enable the desktop sharing and remote control. Here you can see the port number is 3389. And here you need to add the login details or credentials to use the desktop sharing. Here I'm going to set a password. Then go to remote login, click on unlock, type your sudo password, then authenticate. Then enable remote login. Here you can see the port number 3389. Type a username here and a password. Okay, so our remote login configuration has been done in our Ubuntu Linux operating system. Now open up your terminal, then type here IP-A, and it's gonna show you the IP address of your Ubuntu Linux operating system. In my case, 192.168.0.107. Now get back to your Windows operating system. Click on Start and search for Remote Desktop. Then open the Remote Desktop connection and type here the Ubuntu Linux operating system IP address. In my case, 192.168.0.107. Then click on Connect. Then type the username, whatever you set, and the password. Then click on OK. Then click on Yes. Then click on Continue. And guys, here you can see the login screen of our Ubuntu Linux operating system. Click on your username and type the password of your Ubuntu operating system. Then press Enter. And here you can see the session already running. It's showing this pop-up because we already logged in to that user account. So click on Force Stop. Now if I go back to Ubuntu operating system, here you can see it's log out. And in our Windows 11 operating system, it's going to load up the Ubuntu Linux. And guys, here you can see we are remotely accessing our Ubuntu Linux operating system from our Windows 11 operating system using the remote desktop connection or RDP. So guys, like this, you can easily get remote access of your Ubuntu Linux operating system from your Windows 11 operating system. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.